As of August 2025, microphone problems in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 Warzone continue to plague players across all gaming platforms. These voice chat issues have become one of the most frequently reported technical problems in the game. Activision has officially acknowledged that approximately 15 to 20% of the player base is experiencing persistent voice chat issues. This represents roughly 2 to 3 million players worldwide who struggle with microphone functionality. Recent updates in July 2025 attempted to address cross-platform communication bugs, but unfortunately introduced new proximity chat glitches. The complexity of the game's audio system is a major factor in these ongoing issues. Black Ops 6 Warzone uses a sophisticated hybrid audio system that combines traditional game chat with proximity-based communication. Audio data must flow through multiple processing layers, creating numerous potential failure points. The root causes of microphone issues fall into four main categories. Hardware driver conflicts occur when audio drivers are outdated or incompatible with the game's requirements. Network audio codec problems arise from issues with real-time voice encoding and decoding during gameplay. Platform-specific permissions can block microphone access at the system level. In-game audio setting conflicts occur when incorrect audio devices are selected or audio levels are improperly configured. Each gaming platform experiences these issues differently due to their unique audio architectures. PC players experience the highest rate of microphone issues at 45%, followed by PlayStation 5 at 30% and Xbox Series X and S at 20%. Each platform has unique audio processing requirements that contribute to these problems. The hybrid audio system processes voice data through hardware drivers, operating system audio services, the game engine, and finally network transmission. Each layer introduces potential compatibility issues and performance bottlenecks. These microphone issues persist because of the complex, interconnected nature of modern gaming audio systems. Cross-platform compatibility, real-time processing demands, network latency, hardware variations, and game engine integration all create a web of potential failure points. Audio driver conflicts represent the leading cause of microphone problems. When drivers are outdated, corrupted, or incompatible with the game's audio requirements, voice chat functionality breaks down completely. Understanding the complexity of these microphone issues is the crucial first step toward effective troubleshooting. In the next section, we'll explore specific platform-based solutions to resolve these problems and restore voice chat functionality. Before diving into platform-specific solutions, start with these universal troubleshooting steps that work across all systems. First, check your network connection. Voice chat requires stable internet with ping under 100 milliseconds for optimal performance. Next, verify your microphone works outside the game by testing it in other applications like Discord or your system's voice recorder. Now let's move to platform-specific solutions, starting with PlayStation 5 fixes. PlayStation 5 users often experience conflicts between the built-in DualSense controller microphone and external headsets. The most effective fix is disabling the DualSense controller microphone in your system settings, as shown in this menu. This prevents interference with your headset microphone. Additionally, adjust your 3D audio settings for headset compatibility and verify microphone permissions are enabled for the game. Moving on to Xbox Series X and S solutions. Xbox Series X and S users should focus on audio routing and spatial audio configuration. Access your Xbox settings menu as shown here. The key fix is separating party chat from game chat to prevent audio conflicts. Configure your spatial audio settings for your specific headset and reset network settings if you're using a wireless connection. Finally, let's cover PC troubleshooting steps. PC users face the most complex troubleshooting due to diverse hardware configurations and Windows audio systems. Start by updating your audio drivers through Device Manager, then disable Windows audio enhancements, which often interfere with game audio. Configure your microphone privacy settings in Windows to ensure the game has permission to access your microphone. If issues persist, run the Windows Audio Troubleshooter as shown here. This automated tool can detect and fix many common audio problems. For persistent issues, consider these advanced troubleshooting steps. When standard fixes don't work, these advanced troubleshooting steps have higher success rates. PlayStation 5 users can clear the system cache by rebuilding the database in safe mode. This resolves deeper audio system conflicts. PC users should update all audio drivers through Device Manager, not just the primary audio driver. Multiple audio devices can cause conflicts. Resetting app permissions across all platforms ensures the game has proper microphone access. This fixes many permission-related issues. These troubleshooting methods have proven success rates. Driver updates resolve issues for 78% of users, while permission resets work for 85% of affected players. Remember, microphone issues vary by platform, but following these systematic troubleshooting steps resolves most voice chat problems in Black Ops 6 Warzone.